This is the House Mouse Designs Hats Off to You stamp set. There are 5 different stamps in this set. There's that adorable image as well as 4 different sentiments. And I always love that there's appropriate sentiments that work well with the image from the stamp set. One of the ways I like to color in my House Mouse designs is by watercoloring. So I stamped and embossed the image with some brown embossing glaze to give that image a little bit of a ridge. It just makes it a little bit easier to do the watercolor. And then I'm watercoloring here with Distress Reinkers, but you could use whatever you like for watercoloring. When I'm doing watercolor, sometimes I like to add different visual textures. So here I'm watercoloring the leaf in with some Magicals pigment powders so that it adds just a little bit of extra shimmer to that background. Once my image is totally dry, I die cut it with a die and then also die cut a mat to go around it. This way I can create a really, really simple card design, but it's just a little bit more interesting than just a plain rectangle. This is such an adorable image, so perfect for fall cards.